One of the great things about having your course on high level is you can also set up a community. So go down the left-hand side to memberships and then across to communities. And we're going to set up a group. So scroll down to community groups and click on create a community. So we're going to call ours LinkedIn for Business. Collect, share, ask questions. Just make it nice and short. Okay, and branding, going to upload in our images. There we go. Make sure it's the right size, so 16 by 16 pixels. Cover image. We just put a temporary image in here, how to grow your business on LinkedIn. And then the logo, 200 by 200. And then we just simply create a group. And that is it. So called the Visibility Hub, plan, write, schedule, and LinkedIn post. And set a new password. And then you complete your profile here. And you can also add in your bio. And now we have a community. So we can invite members in here. So once people have signed up to work with you, you can copy this link, add that to an automated email, and invite people in to join your community. And this can go alongside your course on whatever it is your course is about. Mine will be a free community for people who want to learn how to grow their business on LinkedIn. And that is as quick and easy as you can make it. Make sure you grab your free 30-day trial to check out all of the brilliant things that High Level can do for you. I have courses on it, and now I've created a community as well to go alongside those courses. Nice and simple. Grab the link down below for your free 30-day trial and get started today.